Have you ever pondered how the future of work will look like in an AI-powered SMT world? Let's journey back to the dawn of AI and statistical machine translation, or SMT for short. These two powerful technologies emerged as game changers, with the potential to revolutionize numerous fields. One such field is language translation. Initially, SMT was a rudimentary tool, with accuracy and speed that left much to be desired. But then, AI entered the scene, and, like a master sculptor, began to refine and reshape SMT. AI has injected a new level of sophistication into SMT, enhancing its accuracy and speed exponentially. It's like giving a high-speed jet engine to a bicycle, transforming it into a vehicle of unimagined power and potential. With AI, SMT is no longer just a tool. It's an intelligent partner, capable of learning, adapting, and improving over time. This evolution of AI-powered SMT has indeed set the stage for a radical transformation in our work landscape. Imagine a world where language barriers vanish, where businesses communicate seamlessly across borders. That's the power of AI-powered SMT. Now let's take a closer look at how this technology is impacting the way we work. In the realm of global business communications, AI-powered SMT is proving to be a game changer. It's breaking down language barriers, enabling businesses to communicate effectively with partners, clients, and customers all over the world. This means faster, smoother business operations and a more global market reach. In customer service, AI-powered SMT has been a boon. It's helping companies provide real-time, multilingual support, vastly improving customer experience. It's not just about translating words, but understanding cultural nuances, idioms, and context, all of which are crucial in delivering effective customer service. But the impact isn't just about efficiency, it's also about opportunity. AI-powered SMT is opening up new job opportunities in fields like data science, linguistics, and AI development. These are roles that didn't exist a decade ago. It's a testament to how technology can create new career paths and opportunities. Moreover, AI-powered SMT is making work more inclusive. It's giving people from different linguistic backgrounds a chance to participate and contribute, breaking down not just language barriers, but also cultural and geographical ones. As AI-powered SMT takes center stage, it is reshaping our work, creating a future filled with limitless possibilities. So, what does this mean for us, the workforce of the future? In the face of AI-powered SMT, or automated machine translation, we must adapt and grow. The need for reskilling and upskilling cannot be overstated. The landscape of work is changing, and we must change with it. As routine tasks are automated, our focus shifts to skills that machines